Today we are walking you through the essentials of preparing your artwork for dropshipping submissions. Your journey from concept to customer starts with a mock-up, the blueprint of your final product. Let's jump into Placeit. Here you can create realistic mock-ups that showcase your design's true potential. Remember, each mock-up should reflect the actual size and placement of your print. Keep your mock-ups lean, under 1 megabyte, to keep the workflow smooth and swift. Now, let's talk print files. High resolution is the name of the game. A PNG file with a transparent background ensures that your artwork is ready to shine without any unwanted canvas sneaking in. Aim for a minimum of 300 dpi to guarantee your prints are as sharp and vibrant as your vision. Organization can make or break the process. Name your artwork files clearly. This becomes the product name that your customers will see and love. And in the cloud, structure is key. Set up a folder with your store's name and subfolders named after your artworks. It's like telling a story where every chapter is neatly catalogued. Considering samples? In.It Express is your go-to. Order directly from our website, check the quality firsthand, and fine-tune your designs to perfection. Artwork submissions for dropshipping is your gateway to captivating your audience. Follow these steps to ensure your designs not only meet expectations, but exceed them. Ready to get started? Head over to our website to learn more about the submission process and order your samples today. And remember, we're here to help you make your mark on the world of e-commerce.